What's happening, y'all? My name's Teddy, Teddy Truth Teller, Ninth Ward Teddy, Southside Teddy, RVA Teddy. Whatever the fuck you call me, just make sure you throw that Teddy in there. You heard me? Let's get into this spit. First of all, let me address the issue of the level of my hotness. I'm greater than my haters, that's why they all riding my dick. Oh shit, after this a lot of sodas will be needed. I'ma make them puke. Matter of fact, I should make them eat it. Skeeted on a couple mosquitoes, a lot of bad bitches buzzing. Pussy tighter than zip like these hoes maggers. I ain't dugging, I ain't bugging. Youngin', niggas is really lustful. Dogs over that cat, having them unsuccessful. Meanwhile, I spit this shit and make it look simple, cause when you get a lot of cheese, hood rats become nymphos. I ain't into buying bitches, but I had a couple rentals. I get first and 15 cash fresher than Mentos. They need to legalize my hobby number 2 pencils. Bullets draw out the pattern and repeat stencils. Niggas trying to box me in like I'm one-dimensional. Never trust a bitch to bleed without a wound that's physical. Yeah, dog, I'm feeling myself and it feels sinful. These hoes trying to knock me, man. They must be out of mental. That's it.